Software is eating the world. Look around you. Tech is powering almost every single change in the world. Coursera estimates that there will be 9 crore new jobs in software engineering in the next 10 years. Every year, 16 lakh people graduate from engineering. Out of those, only 16% graduates end up finding a job, out of which 80% are computer science jobs. Only 2% of graduates actually find a job that pays more than 8 lakhs per annum. And almost every single one of those jobs is again CS related. Computer science seats in IITs are scarce and less than 500 seats exist in the top IITs. High quality software engineering is in very high demand and will continue to be so. Unfortunately, our curriculum for software engineering is outdated in almost every college, and hence the majority who don't make effort to learn outside the curriculum find it difficult to get a job. We at Scalar strongly believe that skills matter. Over the past 7 years, we have worked tirelessly to create the top 1% software engineers. Using the learnings from years of running massively successful programs, we are launching the next revolution in undergraduate education, Scalar School of Technology. It's designed in a way where every graduate would graduate with more than a year of industry experience and skills at the same level as a senior engineer or SD2 in the industry. Let me explain how. The program is broken down into 3 parts. The first part is the first 18 months, where you learn and implement the core CS fundamentals, which means you excel in problem solving, competitive programming, you implement HTTPS encryption, you analyze large data sets, you solve product case studies, you build e-commerce applications on cloud, which by the way involves high expertise in backend engineering. You build online Excel sheets with millions of rows, which involves high expertise in front-end engineering. Next 12 months is where you do an internship. It's an immersive industry internship with top companies with one-on-one guidance from an industry mentor. And then the final 18 months. This is where you specialize as a senior engineer or a machine learning or an AI engineer. You also get to choose specializations around algo trading or learning skills which will help you be successful at the top 0.1% of the companies in the world. All of this content is waste if it is not delivered through innovations and how teaching is done. And hence, we have teachers who are industry veterans themselves. People who have worked on building Facebook Messenger, Zomato app or Uber app or Amazon Fresh. These are the ones who are going to teach from their deep experience of having been there, done that. We also believe that one solution does not fit all. So everyone is different and they need personal attention. Hence, every learner gets a personal industry mentor who spends time with you every month to shape your career and the thought process. There are also batch success managers who are responsible to ensure no one is left behind. They continuously work on clearing your doubts on concepts and push you to do better. All of this, by the way, is happening in the heart of the land of software engineering, which is Bangalore. That means you get to meet people around you who are in the industry and learn from their experience. You have access to industry leaders once every quarter who spend time with you to help you see the other side. And to finally top it off, we have more than 900 employer partners internationally, including the top names in every sector in tech, like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Zomato, Airtel, Wells Fargo, PayPal, who have hired continuously Scalar grads in the past. And they continue to hire graduates from Scalar. I strongly believe that India has a massive potential to be the Silicon Valley of the world. And this is our small contribution to the ecosystem. Scalar is built for the industry, by the industry. The same vision and differentiation of Scalar has been echoed by many CTOs and Niti Aayog Chairman Amitabh Kant. I myself led the team that built Facebook Messenger, and I can tell you from my experience of setting up Facebook London office and interviewing more than 500 candidates from multiple countries that this innovative structure is the first of its kind in the world that is being implemented at the graduate level. To make sure we give enough attention to every single person in the intake is limited to only 200 people this year. If you feel this excites you, please go ahead and apply, and hopefully I'll see you as one of your teacher.